Hey everybody, it's me Meg, aka McGee. Today we're back on Miss Survival, Day 6. And today I need to go get an engine down from the school. I am just going to head down there. I'm not even going to loot, and I might loot on the way back, but I'm not going to loot on the way there. I just want to get this engine and get it done. So let's get into it. Alright, I slept for probably an hour too long, so it's fine. Alright, yeah. Alright, anyway. What did I... Oh, I wanted to go get some water. Now, one. You see, used to. You could come down to the water. Oh, hell. I just say fill up. 2, fill up. 3, fill it up. 4, fill it up. I find that's actually the easiest way. Just don't go too deep because there is a glitch that makes you swim, like right there. Just come right here until you get the thing. Don't go into that like darker area right there. It will make you swim and it'll make you throw your bucket into the water. And then you'll just have to say fuck it to the bucket. So yeah. Alright. Go put this stuff in. Alright. I gotta get that out of my hand, get that out of my hand. I think it's 4 that's in right now. Put 4 away. 4 can go in. Oh, and they went in my inventory. Oh, I'm not smart at all. Nope. Hey, give that shit. Now, the hours passed, got my water going, and we're off to the races. So, I'm not going to pick up any sticks or anything on the way because I might need my inventory. I didn't grab. Well, that's because my hand's going to be full anyway. Yeah. No point to grab a cabinet. No point at all. Pass those people. Now, all the way down to school on the left. Alright. I'm down here at the school. Where I wanted to be. Now. Check this car over here. Please be. Yes. Ticket. Confirm. Alright. Now. I can take this string and just do me a double check-in. Nothing. Oh, my fingers are a little off on the buttons. I've been playing another game. Yeah. Oh, what was that? You don't like me. Oh, that was just the glove compartment. Okay. Pick. Oh, I'm hitting. Yeah, wrong button. Again. It's okay. We'll get there. I almost wanted to hit my Q button to find clues. Not a possibility. Was there a coin in there? No, no, no. I'm gonna run the backside. Check it for stuff. I don't want no concrete blocks. I don't really want any concrete. paint. I don't even know what the use for it is, honestly. Okay. There's nothing in these vehicles. Onward. Come on. Come on. Alright. Okay, got the engine. I gotta go to the other end of the map. Let me stop right here on the road. Just double check everything near the road. Drop for that seeker. Oh. Stuck on the trailer hitch. Okay. Nope. See nothing. Onward. And boom. Okay. And off we go again. Sure, I guess, yeah. 30 minutes. Damn. I'm trying to also use the wrong button for turning objects. That was nice. Oh, wait. Okay. May as well make somewhat of the journey worth it. Because, I mean, I understand I gotta go all the way down, but I'm also gotta go run past my whatchamacallit, so if I can drop just some inventory off and go ahead and get somewhat of this done, and at the same time saving time. Ooh, shit, snap. That's the one that did me inward. Go ahead and eat these peaches. Okay, grab them boots and opponent, rag. Just search the outskirt. Check the toilet stall. If there's anything up there anyway. Open. And some scrap. Oh, you're kidding. Okay. I'm not gonna mess with that. Alright then. Come on, engine. bottle. Oh, I'm full on rags. Come on, let's go. We'll come back. Get the bottle. Get the rags. Okay, put that down. Come in here. Off we go! Okay. I mean, y'all could get rid of the sound. Like, it's dead right now. It doesn't make any sense why. There's sound. Okay. My ATV tire. Okay. And now. Start her up. This engine ain't all that good. It's only 76%. I don't even remember how you change the view. See? There we go. I didn't turn that fast, or turn that. Okay, so the steering is touchy and then not touchy. Like when you're driving, it says nope. Alright, now we're here, we're done, let's go. Nachos. Okay. Wrong button. Go ahead and do this. Oh, you know what I also should do since I got the vehicle here? Yeah. Yep. Don't forget to do that in this game. And then also, don't do it too often. We are going to go down to whatchamacallit. That's bad. Can I get around that? Yeah, I can. I'm a skilled driver. Honestly, though, I need to... I don't... Oh, yeah. Oh, I forgot to drop that shit off. That's fine. And, yeah, the police car. I know there's another vehicle somewhere. Okay. Alright, well, that's that. Per se, this is right here by that, but we are going to go look and see. And, yeah. I know they were trying to implement something at one point. There's like this flat area, but I don't know what they implemented and got into it. Also ain't seeing anything around here. Okay, backside. So it's looking clean. I mean, I recognize this house, like, as if it was probably somewhere else at some point. Huh. Check the outside. Let's see what we can gander. May as well. I've seen it. And, yep. Okay. Oh, I should have put me a cabinet in my truck. Why darn. Oh, that door's wide open. Should probably watch myself. I got another, ooh, battery. Part. Don't jump over on it, but yeah. Okay. Well, that's nice. We'll go ahead and run that down. Ish. Maybe bring the truck up ish. Yep. Oh, I didn't even take the shit out of the back of the truck earlier. I just got home and was like, hey, let's go. Yep, took the tire out and was like, okay. Why is there a telephone pole, like, right in the middle of the drive? Go up here real quick. Double check. Double check. Okay. The ATV trailer. An axe. Fake propane cylinder. Some of these. Nothing on top, y'all. Nothing over there. It's a tire. Okay, anyway. Yep. Okay. There we go. Okay, I gotta remember what buttons to hit. Oh, goodness. Oh, I got a shit ton of stuff on me, too, huh? Wonder if there's any cabinets in there. Might actually be nice, but unfortunately, yeah. Where's my other arrow, ho? You landed on that one. Okay. How many more are in here? There's one up there. Wish he'd come right there. Oh, I didn't even hear that one, y'all. Wow. That wasn't some malarkey. We'll make sure. We're good right here. Another tire. Okay. Okay, the hat disappeared on me, which was fun. I can always find more of that. I'll get more of them later. Don't care about the paint. Okay. Clear. 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 Okay. Now, salute. Oh, yeah. Did we see any cabinets? Oh, yeah. Okay. That'll do. We'll take that. Put it out here. Check inside here real quick. I need to put them back in. Can't get in the bottom one. Okay. Oh, my bad. Oh. Second drawer, thank you. And add some arrows. Only got 10. Great. And what we got? Nothing. Check in here. Boots. I like him for his components or scrap or whatever that he spits out later. My tire didn't stay. That was weird. Okay. Double check. Nope. Can't get no arrow off you. Okay. Right. Now. I got a dog barking at me to go out. Always grand. Oh, yeah. My inventory is getting there again. There's some frame drop in this house, but you know, whatever. Okay. Him with him. I'm getting there, so may as well just drop it while I can. Oof, I thought I seen something for a moment. That made me jump. I guess before he disappears, I should probably look inside of him. Okay. Back down. Okay. Nothing. We'll come back around. Yeah, that reminded me, I stand the bottle behind the door while we're going. I'm getting a bunch of repeat stuff. I don't know if houses ever refresh, so just pop that out on the floor there. Goodness. Okay. I was doing. Okay. Having a snack. There's nothing in the door, right? No. Okay. I guess go out real quick. Put this shit back up. No. No. Alright, there's a repeat, and there's some more repeat. Branches, what you call it. Okay, matches, sugar. I don't think I put any ammo anywhere yet, have I? Yeah, there is some ammo. Guess I'll just put the ammo down here on the bottom. That'll make it easier. Just put those there. Coffee. I don't know if I'm gonna find any more of that. I'll put the duct tape in there. I'll put that in there, that in there. I only need one more component. Oh, wait. I'll need some more components. Okay. Yeah, I looked at it. Didn't look in this, though. Looked in those, looked in that. I mean, this house is kind of like, I don't know, a jackpot because it's all big. But I mean, it's looking weird. Nope, okay. Just had to make sure. There's nothing. Like the mist starting outside. Oh, bueno. I got a fishing rod. How sweet. Okay. A bunch of stuff in this house. God dang. Have I got any repeats? No, that repeat. Nope, not a repeat. You are a repeat. Okay. Back outside. I'm thinking I'm learning a lesson on, yeah. You know, those things. Yeah. Let's see, what's not stackable? That's not stackable. Lashings are stackable, but that's not stackable. So let's swap. Coins are stackable, but yeah. Okay. Yeah, put the ammo in there earlier. So may as well put the ammo in there. Do I have any lashings nowhere? Yum. I thought I had scissors earlier and I didn't already. I guess I'm not. Like that. Mama was thinking I don't need scrap wood, but you know, we'll see. Oh, look, I can stack it. Okay. Duct tape. Oh, the scissors there. I mean, I thought I had scissors earlier. I guess not. Alright, yeah. I may have to come back and kill these motherfuckers just to finish this out, because, yeah, I'm a loot goblin. That's just paint, Banyo. Have you ever been looking around for loot and then been like, don't give me any more great stuff? Weird layout. Okay, so that was down here. Is that a real lashing? Bottle. Okay. Now, stack the bottle. Stack the lashing. Stack the ammo. Okay, I'm running out of room. I'm running out of room. Yeah. Mm. Oh my Jesus. Oh, that's a light. That's kind of cute. Oh God. I can't stack shirts. You're kind of cute. I'm gonna take you down real quick. Should have brought a bigger truck. Oh, good grief. We're all the way here. Oh goodness. I'm just gonna have to fucking come back, man. Like, yeah. What is shit that I'm gonna keep? Here, I'll put it right here on the ground. Yeah, what we're doing, if I were hitting like that button, it'd be greatly appreciated. There we go. Alright, here's some stuff on the ground. We're gonna try to, well, whatchamacallit, you know, like, make it, there's a, actually I probably would keep that yeah, that's totally, yeah, that just happened. Oh, it's late, yeah. Don't care about a bat. Why is there so much stuff here? Back to that again. Back to that again. Hey! I could stack some, but not much. What was that? It was down there. Yeah. Yep, okay. See? Are you on the ground, you on the ground? Yeah, see? There's just too much inside this one house without my getting. Whatchamacallit? Ah. Oh no. Okay, it's in there. Last. Oh yeah. Well, I guess F the cigarette because yeah. And I think that was pretty much it. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Come on. Pop a drink while I'm at it. Yeah. Shotgun. More components. Okay, anyway, back to it again. What's up? My goodness. Bathroom. Actually, where is that? Did I have another battery earlier? No. Alright, I think this is the last room anyway. Okay. Now that is that. Okay. I'm out. Let's get out of Dodge. No. Yeah, I'm a whack-ass driver. It's okay. We will be safe. Promise. How much shit did I drop on the ground while ago? I didn't think I dropped too much. I don't think I dropped too much. Whoops, my bad. Grab you all off the ground. Oh, well. Let's see. Perfect. Alright. Now, shit snap, let's get the hell out of Dodge. Go home. Okay. Now, for the long haul for today. We'll be home in the corner. So, until the next one, goodbye.